Okay.
Alright, welcome to the first box break for the Bowman Chrome Hobby Edition. It is 7:14. This is the government time site, so you know exactly what time we're doing this. January 30th on Monday. Everybody's money was in really quickly. We really appreciate that. So let's begin the break. First one, Bowman Chrome, number 1 box, Hobby Edition. Alright, everybody, first pack. Cosby Ellsbury, the Red Sox. Ronnie Welty, the Orioles. Juan Duran with the Reds. And we got a rookie card for Brandon Beachy. Good one for the Braves. Mr. Beltre up first for the Rangers. Ramon Morla for the Mariners. Jake Thompson with the Braves again. Blue Refractor for De La Rosa with the Rockies. That one should be numbered. It is. 21 of 150. Some good condition too. They're all in good condition. Third pack of 18. Off the bat, a Cubby, Chris Carpenter. 2 Cubs in a row, Scott Maine. Gene Segura with the Angels. Good condition card too, insert. Casey McGehee for the Brew Crew. Jose Bautista off the bat. Tommy Shirley with the Astros. JC Ramirez with the Phillies. Got a Shelby Miller rookie card for the Cardinals. Another insert. Tristan Magnuson with the Athletics. First card. Zach Dodson with the Pirates. Nice little die cut. Looks like a possible refractor. Matt Dominguez with the Marlins. It's very nice. It's good condition for a die cut. And then Agon for the Red Sox. And a checklist. Alex Avila for the Tigers. First card, Oswaldo Arcia with the Twins. Dave Bromberg with the Twins. Miguel Tejada with the Giants. Looks like refractor, maybe short print. Almost halfway through. Still looking for the auto card. Off the bat, Dustin Pedroia with the Red Sox. Ethan Martin with the Dodgers. Aaron Hicks with the Twins. Hunter Pence with the Astros. Looks like he's gonna take out the umpire. Chris Davis with the Brew Crew. Jake Marisnick, the Jays. Rookie card looks like another refractor, maybe short print. Dylan Gee with the Mets. Mark Rogers with the New York. Ryan Tatsuko with the Nats. I think that's the first Nats we'd fold. Josh Judy with the Indians. And then a finest, Delano DeShields Jr., Bowman's best. Another insert, Delano DeShields, the Astros. The Master Delago, that's a great name for a pitcher, Braves. Jawan James with the Phillies. Another die cut, Tyler Matzik, the Rockies. Again, good condition. Pretty much everything has been in pretty flawless condition. Dan Ugla for the Braves. Miguel Tejada again. Hunter Morris, first card. There's the autograph for the Washington Nationals, A.J. Cole. BCP 160. It's a pretty good one-inning pitch. It's a nice autograph. Card is in excellent condition, and we'll keep it that way on its way to you. And Carl Crawford. So that's got two, one with an autograph. It's pretty good. Mark Burley with the Sox. Tyler Pasternicki, I have not heard of him yet, with the Braves. Miguel Velasquez, the Rangers. Carlos Gonzalez. It's nice. It's numbered to 150 as well. 147 and 150, number 33. Carlos Gonzalez. It's a nice card. Got 6 left, guys. Cutter Dykstra, the Nats again. Jordan Swaggerty, the Cardinals. Dan Haren with the Angels. Ike Davis with the Mets. Dominic Brown, rookie card. Jordani Valdespin with the Mets. Brock Holt, another die cut coming up. Peter Tago. Looks like he's with the Rockies. Yes. Number 5 prospect in the organization by Baseball America. Hang on to that one. Justin Verlander, another die cut in the back. Gustavo Pierre, the Jays, first card. Brian Holiday, the Tigers. Gene Segura, another die cut. Looks kind of like a refractor as well. Number 15, the Angels. Miles Head, first baseman for the Sox. Kyle Parker, Colorado Rockies. Got a Bowman's best, Aaron Hicks with the Twins. Felix Hernandez, the Mariners. 2 more, hoping for a hot box. Edison Volquez with the Reds. Inny Romero with the Rays. A.J. Cole with the Nats. It's a good card. Devin Mesoraco with the Reds. To be an excellent catcher. Hang on to that one. That's a nice card. Last one, guys. We got a couple breaks coming up for Upper Deck SPX Legendary Cuts, and we're also going to do a Just the Minors autographed ball. I'll throw that up this week too, so if you guys are looking into some of our auctions. Brett Lowry with the Jays. Bryce Harper with the Nats. There he is. Edison Volquez again. And Mr. Pujols. Bryce Harper. these up and ship them out tomorrow morning, and should get them in just a couple days. We're going to put the next brakes up this week, so look for us. We'll send you an email and let you know the legendary cuts as well as just the minors will be up. So thanks for everything. I'll send you guys a link here shortly.